bad quality and everything, but today we're gonna learn how to do Hellfire Rain Rocket Launcher Edition in Doomspire no cooldown. So basically, you're gonna spam a bunch of these and spam the rocket launcher. You will get flung occasionally, so just watch out when that happens. I also like to just block off entrances in case there's enemies down there. To be honest, I don't care if it's my own teammates or not. I just like a little prank. Oh yeah, I know how to literally fling yourself. First, let me just get these out the way. You're just gonna go to the center of the. So here's how to just fling yourself. Go to the center of the bridge and just spam this around you. Basically, do it until you're in place down. Or that happens. If that happens, just do it on your team. Basically, once you get encased, you're just gonna get like this. Or you could do it inside to make it a lot easier. Or just do it against the wall, it's a lot easier. Inside the building. Oh, it just happened. Uh, anyway.